Salut à tous. Alors aujourd'hui on se retrouve, on est jeudi 29.
I will not stop in the middle of the progress. I will not be defeated. I will not be destroyed. I will take everything that happens in my life and I will allow the pain to push me to greatness. You will not break me. You will not stop me. You will not defeat me. The only way I lose is if I quit.
Yeah, I'm only focused on winning. I don't see no competition. I used to dream, now I live it. I'm getting paid by the minute. Still think about the beginning. Made it this far like one in a million. Not at my peak, I don't have a ceiling. All that I do, I keep it the realest.
Je vais vous mettre le bilan de mercredi. Hier j'étais donc à 99.4. Le poids baisse doucement, mais sûrement. Donc ce vlog va durer de mercredi jusqu'à dimanche, le début de Peak Week. Au niveau de la diète, on a troqué les céréales pour du riz sur le repas 1 et le pré. Donc je passe à 200 grammes de riz sur le repas 1 et 250 grammes de riz sur le pré. On a enlevé la banane aussi, donc je fais toujours ma glace. J'ai opté pour moins de volume pour faciliter la digestion, parce que sinon j'ai l'impression que ça reste bloqué au cou et je n'arrive plus à respirer sans avoir envie de vomir. Du coup voilà, je vous laisse avec les bilans. Alors, là on se retrouve pour le deuxième repas de la journée. El classico classiqui, poulet, courgettes, sans riz, c'est la prep, avec 1 gramme de sel. Donc là on a 200 grammes de poulet et 100 grammes de courgettes. Regardez-moi ça, comment ça fume. Si ça donne pas faim, j'ai envie de te dire, c'est quand même beaucoup mieux qu'un tacos. Bref. Voilà. On mange ça. Après, on va siester. On se retrouve pour le pré-workout. Et ensuite, pour le workout. La Ninja Creamy vient de terminer ma 3e glace de la journée. Composée principalement de lait d'amande sans sucre et de whey glace à la pistache. Voilà. Avec ça, en prêt, on a 100 grammes de céréales avec un peu de lait d'amande pour le goût. Et on va déguster tout ça. Yo. Bon bah on a la body addict. On va pusher. On va commencer par le pec deck. Ensuite on a dû développer incliné aux haltères. Regardez qui voilà. L'homme de la situation. Tu vas bien?
Ça va mon gros?
Ouais,
et toi? Content?
Tu fais quoi?
J'ai fini.
T'as fini?
Ouais, je fais pec épaule.
Ok, bah je fais la même. Cool. Sympa ton t-shirt.
Ouais, c'est pas mal.
Ouais. Bon bah, bisous. On passera un matin à la boutique pour faire le stock de Monster pour Justine. Vu que c'est elle qui conduit et moi je roupille. Allez, c'est parti. J'installe le trépied. On va commencer à envoyer la sauce.
Just got a roll with scurving, double tapping the back with the German. Caught me up, wine on the window, back out the spinner and bursting. Bucking with me, that's curtains. Food get wrapped like turbans. I put bullets in you.
En général, je fais 2 sets de chauffe, ça suffit. Ensuite, j'attaque directement. Je me suis au préalable échauffé pour commencer à faire monter le sang dans le muscle, prévenir les articulations.
Guys lie, how come the ops ain't learning? We got bread and got burners, so we splash and got murdered. Man, get the pattern.
Le petit intra qui vient de chez Fitness for Nutrition. Vous avez 10% avec le code Kodiak. Vous avez les EAA Raw dedans qui sont excellents. Moi j'adore les strawberry limonade. J'ai une petite intolérance au sucralose. Donc pour éviter d'avoir des brûlures d'estomac pendant l'entraînement, je le coupe avec les EAA neutres de chez Ostrovit.
Everything I've got, man, I earned it. If the bridge is weak, then I'll burn it. Free criminal, we got birded. That's an L, but I know we'll firm it. I was vexed when I heard that verdict. Chef, swim, dip man down, make him drown in his blood. Knock, boom, never left that trap till I found that grub. OT trip trying to get some funds. We get bread and invest in guns. Them boy run when we chat them John. Chain splash in his lungs. I just put 4 Z's in Pebs. Plus I got bits for man if you need it. Bitch one dip man G, I'm skiing. Gal can't tell me about eating, I mean it. Blood on my shank man, keep it, clean it. Use hot water and bleach it. Feds trying to chase, got a rams on my waist. See a feds coming up and leaping. You see me? You see it? My sis man's on that topic.
Bon, là on est sur développé incliné. Je me suis bien chauffé sur le pec deck. Donc on va faire 2 séries de chauffe ici. Développé incliné à 20 degrés. Donc vu que les bons ils se règlent à 15, moi je rajoute un petit bumper de 5 kg. Allez, c'est parti.
Smoke my back up, my shank on violence, I move psychotic. And this gang was so man, cop it. Drop it, whip it, rock it. Apartment settings with love from damn, got tea with smelling no tropic. We run west, that's facts. App, them boy there live on tracks. Get round there, some rise and waps. Jace, I put his whole rams on your hat. Remember that day in the as a scum. 3YF try fling it in backs. Opsy gang and dash, skirt, crash, bar, kalas.
And didn't wanna see M scum in the car. With 2 shanks up. No, you don't creep up like Luke.
Bon, les séries de chauffe sont faites. On va attaquer 2 séries à 8-10, 8-10 répétitions. En général, j'irai sur les 54 à chaque fois. Parce qu'après, le gap de poids est trop haut. On passe de 54 à 60. En fin de prep, c'est pas très raisonnable. On vient pas chercher à performer, mais à maintenir les charges.
Leave man cut, none of 12's all hot. Welcome to the wild, wild west, hot stepping in Zart, that's shanks in chest. 3CJ, I aim at next. Spin gets spun like songs on decks. Pattern gang, who they patterning? Pull up skirt, have them panicking. Pull up skirt, like what's happening? See man freeze up like mannequin. Try dash and drop, that's embarrassing. Thought it was Mozart marathon. Double tap, bang the ting. Shows go missing like Madeline.
Gang low-key, that's standard. 4 man on 2 pairs, jump up and my shank leave it up, way splattered.
Bon, après le développé incliné, on passe sur le développé militaire hammer. 2 séries 8-10. Et ensuite, dernier exo en lourd, le développé coucher machine, la machine verte là-bas là. Allez, c'est parti. On chauffe un peu les épaules avant, et ensuite on envoie le lourd.
Gally or me, cause they heard of us. They're like, who's that savage? My bros, them bean crushing corn. I don't know for these so-called crashers. Got hands on wipers, back that dot's being print, or you might get smoked. Broski splashed on step with a shank and more time he's fully on votes.
On va monter crescendo, pas faire de bêtises. Ce serait dommage de se laisser en si bon chemin.
Ops them lying in my name for the clout, their wash is a fucking joke. Run man down till he runs out of breath and I dip man down to bones. On the up.
Bon, premier set en lourd.
10 doors, my bro, like tell me who's the next victim. This Rambo here that I'm gripping's different, it's about 22 inches. Run man down in their block, back to my shank, give him run from the kitchen. Pen gal on man, light skin one and a herd, it's a up waist misses. Ask man down for the action, so who wants beef with the gang? Free striker, had them locked in scrubs while I was in fells with daps. Run up in the yard and stay in that shit, man, know that I don't give a dash. The ops are wet. Jump out the ride, they run before seeing my shank. Man, they run before weapons are back.
They see who had won and they panicked. He back to the match, try slap it. Man ducked him down and so stabbed him. Man know that I'm active, I'm a savage. Back out the rounds, man know I do damage. Chef man down, the pussy is planking, bitch. Suck my dick, I ain't bashing. Dishing out T-Wiz packs in the ends. Man bring that gal from Kuwait to suck off all of my friends. Man being round there on a 1-2's ped. Lying, 300 instead. Luger bells on the back with a skeng. 3 jazz and rag on my bros. Them men's caught longs in the wing and he smashed his head. Step on streets, pepper down beef like I'm got my phone line running like creeps. If they got waps, ain't got no sweets. Cause they ain't shot one of my G's. Them boy they talk to police. Can't believe that I beef these neeks. Gave him 20 shank rooms with a kitchen. And he ain't tryna ride on me. They ain't tryna ride on us. If a boy try...
Ensuite, on a un superset. C'est extension triceps double corde avec élévation latérale à la machine, debout. On a 4 séries. Une série, la première série est plus longue que les autres pour avoir un peu plus de ressenti. En général, je garde le même poids parce que dès la première série, après les autres, je commence à fatiguer. Donc augmenter le poids pour augmenter le poids, je trouve que ça sert pas à grand chose. Du coup voilà, allez.
running, I catch him. I'll kill him, I don't give a fuck. Pretty low face, nice green eyes. Bitch, come suck on this cock. I'm the horridest one on the block. Chest boss, man, I get shot.
Yo, job work done, I'm gonna spin that bin back. No, we ain't down for the chit chat. Running through blocks, don't thought I was lost. You see that clock when he done him the zigzag. What's that about? The fuck's the link ups about? What's going on, man? Yo, look. Job weren't done, I'm gonna spin that bin bag. No, we ain't down for the chit chat. Running through blocks, don't thought I was lost. You see that clock when he done him the zigzag. Fully involved, I'ma send that. Oh, you know the white came rap and it's coming like riff-raff. No phone calls in the tea, cause the signals peak. Got me upset, ringing down gift gap. No, they ain't got a match come live like ours is. In a circle, you know you're the target. I was upset when I never saw none, and he done too wrong, so he got recorded. Bros in jail with the scouts as plugs. Anytime that he films, got him saying yo, Arkin. Said it's on road, but he ain't involved. I me looking at bro, but I'm still discharging. You know me and my bros ain't buying. Me and my G, that breeze no cap. If it weren't me and the bros, you sliding. Dirty position, recline that back. Post trauma, had their block on hiding. What's riding when they're firing blanks? No hand signs, we ain't doing up miming.
Bon, je vais pas vous filmer toutes les séries du Super 7, sinon ça va faire un peu long. Mais dans les deux, on a 60 secondes de repos. Bon, j'espère que jusqu'ici, la vidéo vous plaît. Que vous faites pas trop chier. C'est pas encore ma spécialité, les vlogs. Mais avec l'habitude, ça se voit.
I'm sorry, hun. Your man ain't shit. I'll send him the addy, he still won't come. He's a bitch. We'll spin this whip, I'll empty the clip. You know I don't stunt. Oh man, I came with 6, I beat off 6, and I got none. I won't leave till the joke is done. I'm sorry, hun. Your man ain't shit. I'll send him the addy, he still won't come. He's a bitch. It could have been more. He could have got 4, but only got 1. Oh man, I came with 6, I beat off 6, and I got none. I won't leave till the joke is done. Yo. Got a will with a Smith, me and this smash are entangled still. I was out late on a local piss, they ain't got hot, couldn't take this thrill. Side by side in a ride that's light, I'ma hold that tight, I'ma break that seal. I don't win, so I went, then I cut through. Cutie, she's pretty as fuck, loving the way man rocks with it. Big smile when I step in a place, try act up, beat off the match with confidence. They got no corn, their friends been scored, they got no work on documents. No corn for the night, so I grabbed that 12 for an IOU, no consonant. Sweet one, take this, she said that I might get raided. You know me and my...
Bon, j'ai fini ma première série. Il m'en reste une, je peux vous la filmer. On se retrouve à la maison après la séance pour prendre le post-workout et le reste des repas. Allez, je vous fais des bisous.
It's only a bag man paid him. You know we make tools look bossy as fuck. We ride in comfort bacon. I'm sorry, hun. Your man is shit. I'll send him the addy. Still won't.
Alors on vient d'arriver à la maison. Du coup, voilà mon post-workout. 200 grammes de poulet, 100 grammes de légumes, avec un peu d'herbe de Provence, sinon c'est un peu triste, 1 gramme de sel, et la vitamine C que je vais prendre juste après. Voilà, il est l'heure de manger. Toi aussi t'as mangé? Atlas, t'as mangé? Putain, cette coupe, on dirait un clochard. Même la barbe, là, y a rien qui va. On se retrouve, on est vendredi 29 août. Je sais toujours pas. On va promener le chien pour la deuxième fois de la journée. Du coup, aujourd'hui c'était séance poule. J'ai rien filmé parce que j'ai oublié le trépied. Et puis j'avais la flemme. Avant d'être youtubeur, je suis quand même athlète. Donc on se concentre sur l'essentiel. Au niveau du bilan, aujourd'hui il y a eu un bilan. Donc pour le plus bas, 99 kg pile. Au niveau des changements, on a enlevé les céréales, on est passé sur du riz. Donc j'ai 200 grammes de riz en repas 1 à la place de la banane et des céréales. Et 250 grammes de riz à la place du riz soufflé en pré-workout. Les protéines n'ont pas bougé. Les fats ont légèrement bougé. Au lieu de 15 grammes de beurre d'amande sur le R1, j'ai 20 grammes. Donc ça bouge pas des masses, mais ça bouge un peu. Et salut, on se retrouve, on est samedi, 7 jours de la compétition. Là actuellement je suis en train de finir les pas. Donc j'en ai 15 000 à faire sur la journée du coup. Il m'en reste 2000 à peu près. Alors on a filmé la séance jambes aujourd'hui. C'était la dernière avant la compétition. Donc pas d'échec. entre 2 et 3 reps en réserve pour chaque série. Je vais vous mettre ça juste après pour clôturer ce deuxième vlog.
Are you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quiff, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead? How you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quiff, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead?
Talk about gang get drenched. One of the ops gonna run for the friends. No CJ thought he had some heart. His top got left all red. Man fight got left for dead. Same way Lats got front off the ped. I sliced it Ricks that works for shit, but I still made jet black bled. How many ops are dead? Go on, look at the murder thread. GB got filled with lead. It should have hit SK instead. It's Kami's also dead. No skin. It's tears like dead man shed. Well gone for these new plate use like KT and the pussy or Ted. OS got Chingvi's auntie. Rizzy Ramps got Chingvi's mum. My first Ching was outside the party. GB got hit with a gun. Incog got Ching for a carty. Loose Screw got Chingvi's hun. Outside Melissa's bit, me and Yasmin the Moscow Spartan run.
Are you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quiff, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead? How you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quiff, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead? Chigga man down the skate. I did it with love from my bro, same way I still did it with hate. Yo, roll on the pig on the stick, who's pin, I don't know how much more they can take. It's dark cause I'm really out late. I'm pissed I can't run from jits, cause I smoke too much, I ain't really in shape. They want me in chains like a slave for hitting station. I ain't trying to get caged. I'm trying to get paid. Yo, I just want money, not fame. But bees don't know my name. She tell me she wanna be mine when I said no way, now she wanna go plain. But I don't want love, just brain. Right out back.